Alright, so here's another easy way on how to write complex sentences in your IELTS essays. So you would get certain essay types which are discuss both views and give your opinion, and that's one of the easiest ways to start your introduction paragraph by paraphrasing both the views into a complex sentence. So the essay topic that I'm going to talk about is this. Some people think it is better to educate boys and girls in separate schools. Others, however, believe that boys and girls benefit more from attending mixed schools. So I'd start by saying in this contemporary era, there are contrasting views because both these views are clearly contrasting one another. And then I would join both these views together in one sentence. I'd start by writing where one section of society believes that it is preferable to put boys and girls in separate gender schools for their education. And instead of giving a full stop, I'd give a comma here and add, and the other section is of the mindset that boys and girls may find it more advantageous when they study in co-educational schools. So whenever you get this kind of an essay type, try to club these two views together in this way, starting your essay with a complex sentence. And that's how you'll easily achieve a 7 or a 7.5 bands in your IELTS essay writing. Hoping this helps. Drop any questions in the comment section. Thank you so much.